Unlock the joy of plant-based cooking. Ready to make mealtime exciting? Dive into Asterisk, the Complete Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook. Asterisk. Packed with over 200 vibrant vegan recipes, it's your go-to guide for creating colorful, mouth-watering dishes that are as fun to make as they are to eat. Let's explore the magic of plant-powered meals. Think plant-based cooking is complicated? Think again. This cookbook breaks it down with quick, easy-to-follow recipes. Fresh veggies, bold flavors, and creative twists come together to make meals you'll crave, whether it's a 10-minute snack or a hearty dinner masterpiece. With 200-plus recipes, there's a dish for everyone. From creamy pastas to zesty salads and guilt-free desserts, this cookbook covers it all. Every recipe is a celebration of flavor, health, and sustainability. Proof that plant-based eating is anything but boring. Turn up the music, grab your ingredients, and channel your inner chef. Alongside upbeat tunes and vibrant dishes, this cookbook transforms your cooking experience into an edible adventure. Who says plant-based eating can't be fun? Feeling inspired? Don't wait to explore Asterisk, the Complete Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook. Asterisk. Click the link, grab your copy, and unlock a world of delicious recipes. Discover the joy of cooking whole food, plant-based meals that'll leave you energized and excited for more. Let's get cooking. Your plant-powered journey starts today.